James Murray, we're outside City Hall with Thunder Bay Mayor Keith Hobbs. Good morning.
Morning, James. Nice to see you again.
It's a beautiful day here, but one of the issues that seems to be plaguing Thunder Bay continues to be the crime issue. The stats came out that are showing that crime has dropped in Thunder Bay. What can we do to get it down to a really low number?
Well, first of all, I'm happy that they are trending downwards, and that's 2 years in a row. We had a 17% reduction in violent crime last year when the stats came out, and this year it's only a 7% drop. We're putting programs in place like the alcohol management program, the SOS program to pick up the homeless off the streets and find them shelter, and we need to really expand those programs. I think that's the key. Looking at the root causes, the Crime Prevention Council has been very, very successful with neighborhoods, building neighborhoods, the Evergreen neighborhood, the Blucher-Picton neighborhood, and the good work of the people doing that. So it's definitely community driven. Those are the way things are going to get issued. It sounds controversial, but I just issued a challenge to NAN to join the Crime Prevention Council. I think it's so important they're a party to that. And, they're saying I'm making inflammatory statements and fueling the flames of racism, and that's not the case. I received a nice email last night from a band member of one of the northern communities that I visited when they were having an emergency, and that person thanked me and invited me to come up again and stay at his place, and he recognized the work that we're doing as a city council. So I want NAN to return that favor. We open our doors to NAN communities when they're ravaged by floods and fires, and it's now time for NAN to step to the plate and come to this Crime Prevention Council and help their people. I'm trying to help their people. Our city council is trying to help their people that come to Thunder Bay, and I think it's time for them to sit at the table as partners.
Now, has the same invitation gone out to Robertson Superior Treaty and to Ottawa?
Definitely. I mean, Fort William First Nation sit at the table on that Crime Prevention Council. Over 30 organizations, from mental health to addictions to Women's Crisis Center. All the important people are at that table, but there's a big hole at that table, a big gap, and that's NAN.
Now, on the issues with that, where's the provincial government? Because one of the issues with addiction, it's not a crime issue. The police are not social workers, but they seem to be cleaning up a lot of issues that are socially related. What can the province of Ontario do?
Well, I think the province of Ontario really has stepped to the plate, and we're going to be there again in August at AMO, Association of Municipalities of Ontario. And we have lobbied hard with the government about the addiction problems in this city. And what we need is, and we've said it time and time again, and we've said it to the government, we need a 50 to 100 bed facility where we can do these alcohol management programs and get people with addictions off the street, address the homelessness issue, because that's what that program does as well. It gives a home and it gives hope to people that are otherwise hopeless, and those are the kind of programs that work, and that's why you're seeing the reduction in crime. We just can't do enough of it, and that's why you're not seeing a 20% reduction in crime. You're only seeing a 7% reduction. So we've got the proof that those programs are working, and we just need to expand them. But we need dollars to do that. We're hurting as a municipality. These things affect us. I said when we were up in Webequie, 850 residents in Webequie, 125 diabetic. They're coming down to Thunder Bay for dialysis, and it's putting a strain on our healthcare system. So there's always cause and effect anytime you have something like that.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thanks very much, James. Nice to see you. Enjoy it.